Action.
Hello world, my name is Henry Strange and this is
Matt Davis.
And today we want to show you the new standard for artist playback. So this is a system made for Drake. It's redundant. We're using Ableton as a software. It's redundant so that in case the computer acts funny, we can always switch to another computer. And we've used several different controllers before, but found the Novation Launchpad to be the most reliable and simplistic device, also inexpensive. Something that we can replace if we ever had issues at a particular city, which when we're on tour, to control these systems. So the reason why we have two rigs here, two Launchpad, is one is for the programmer, which sits side stage, running the main rig here, and then another one sits on the stage with the DJ. So the DJ effectively can control everything that's happening and basically run the whole show with the programmer on the side, making sure that everything is consistent. Matt here had made some very specific software for the Launchpad to make this system run extremely smooth. And in fact, you can run it in like an old 420 system playback machine where you just have the name of the song, stop, play. So this is definitely something that's going to take over the industry as far as playback because it's so simple that, you know, a DJ can do it. So here's Matt.
It's so simple a DJ can do it. So yeah, basically we wanted to do everything that Henry's saying, and we want to give people visual feedback on what buttons they were pressing. So we used a combination of Max MSP and MIDI send tracks within Ableton to create that functionality. So a performer, a DJ, BP, anyone can push a track or trigger it, and it'll light up red when the track is queued up, and then when you hit play, that track will blink.
3, 4.
So you can hit stop, and then it goes back, or you can jump to another track,
1,
and it'll
2,
jump to that track.
3, 4.
That's kind of the gist. It's, again, really simple, really straightforward. And the reason we use the combination of the two softwares is to build in these things like the stop, play, on-off buttons, and the blinking tracks and the reset on stop.
So when you hit the song, it lights up red to show you that it's queued. And then when you hit play, it'll play that song, right? And then they play that song.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And you ask, why do we need all of this stuff to play back instead of just playing CDs? Basically, just that right now we're playing multi-tracks. So we have all the stems playing out so the band can have a click in their ear, have a count in, you heard the count in actually just now, and the music can be split out to front of house up to 16 channels so that they can we can send SMPTE, we can do all the things that a full production would need, control lights, we can control the video. In fact, we're actually here working on a system controlling the start and stop of a video for Drake's coming OVO Fest. So all this stuff is integrated, but then turned extremely simple here on this pad for the DJ to control, so that they can be involved with the show and everything is spot on. Will start spot on.
So thank you, Novation. We love your gear.